isn't it?
I got what they call a pumpkin pin.
I think this is the... You need to eat it. Look, you do it. But you can't go on the ride until you've eaten it. What do you want? Another... Let's look at that back. Another 3 tests.
Welcome to Hogmead, and we're about to experience Hailwood. It's only been open about 1 month and we are very excited. Very excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
She's slightly more excited than me because I have no idea about anything to do with Harry Potter. In fact, I walked out of the first Harry Potter film after 10 minutes, whereas Lauren loves it. So the Florida weather has been playing games again for the last hour. Hopefully that's the end of the weather and we can carry on our adventure and have some more fun. So when there is lightning within a 10-mile radius of the parks, all the outdoor rides close down. So we're going to head indoors until they all start opening again. And this is Cat in the Hat. We're presently thinking that Matthew this year is going to make his debut on the Hulk. So it looks like Ripsaw Falls has just opened. They've opened the line again The good news is it is now after 4 o'clock, so because of our annual passes we get free express passes, which is great news. So another ride that's just opening is the River Adventure at Jurassic Park. So again, it's gone 4 o'clock, and with our annual passes, after 4 o'clock we get express passes to on everything at least once, apart from Hagrid, which is not using express passes at the moment in July 2019. And it's a 100-minute wait for everybody else. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Name the ride. Name the ride. Somebody has lost a rat on Flight of Hippogriff. I might get it and put it on eBay. So it's been a really busy day. It's been a bit disjointed. We've been lucky enough to go on to Hagrid, and we're going to do the review of that when we get back in the car, I think, because it's very busy around here. But it's been a good day, been on lots of rides. The weather was a bit wet during the day, but then it all came good again, and we got back on Hagrid for the second time in one day, so we were really lucky. But now it's time to go and find our car in the Valet car parking. But as you can see, it's very busy here. So it's time to head away from Universal. A very good day, enjoyed by all. Matthew's been on lots of rides. Lauren's been on a favourite ride, which was Hagrid. Was it good, Lauren?
It was so good.
She'll tell us all about it later on, what she enjoyed, because I had no idea what was going on, but it was very good. But now there's only one thing for it. What is it, Lauren?
The Villa Pool.
The Villa Pool. So the Valet parking is if you've got a Premier pass for Universal, you get it free of charge, which means you drop your car off, they park it up for you, and then they bring it back to you. And it's literally the first set of escalators as you exit the park, which is really handy when you come in here, and it's really handy when you're going home. Oh, we've got a race on. We've got a race on. Da 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 da. Oh no, we're going to get beat. Let's have a look where Matthew is. He won't be racing. All lazy bones. And then we give our card in and wait for our car. It's all very efficient and very good. So this is where you wait for your car, and it should appear down there somewhere. We'll see how long it takes. It's usually about 5 minutes, but we'll let you know how long it takes. To pay for this, it cost $65 every time, and with our annual pass we get it free of charge. And it says walking all the way down the escalators and finding your car.